what is expected of us is to take action, okay, and begin to earn, from this secret that we're bringing into the space. So the LPGNEXT is a project that is designed to promote the sales and use of LPG in Nigeria. It is powered by Shopway, a business that is designed to offer convenience to every Nigerian family. Happy New Year. We promise that we are going to try as much as we can to create a lot of content for as many of us who are interested in the LPG business here in Nigeria. So we're going to start with the basics. There is need for product knowledge. If you are interested in going into any business, there is need for you to know the basics, understand what the product is about, so it will be easy for you to sell when you have a knowledge about the product you want to sell. So we're going to start by looking at the LPG itself, which is your cooking gas. In other words, we want to look at the application of LPG. So just like you have on the screen, introduction to LPG. Don't forget that this video is brought to you, you know, by LPGNEXT, powered by ShopMe. So about LPG. Now LPG is a portable, clean and efficient energy source which is readily available to consumers around the world. And of course, you have it in its liquid form. LPG looks like water, okay, in its liquid form. Yet, because of its unique properties, now 1 liter of LPG expands to 250 liters of gaseous energy, allowing a lot of energy to be transported in a compact container. So, yes, the LPG is portable. The LPG is clean. Now, it's clean because it has less carbon content compared to other heavy hydrocarbon. It's efficient because you talk about having more calorific value or energy value, okay, bottled just within a small container. So we understand that more than 3 billion people use LPG today, and the global LPG consumption exceeds 300 million tons. Now this is a fact. So LPG is used in all 6 continents from Asia megacities to remote bases in sub-Saharan Africa. So of course, like we said, the LPG itself, it's a viable fuel because of its properties. So when you look at LPG, when you talk about LPG, what comes to mind is propane or butane. So LPG itself stands for liquefied petroleum gas, and the term is used to describe two natural gas liquids, propane and butane, or a mix of the two. When we're looking at the natural gas liquid, what we're talking about is if you're processing your gas, your natural gas, a fraction of the natural gas, okay, is your natural gas liquid. And part of it is what we have as your LPG, which is your propane and your butane. Now, those propane and butane are chemically quite similar, but there's some small difference in their properties, mean that they are particularly suited for a specific use. Of the propane and butane will be mixed together, to give you a more efficient energy yield. Now, when you look at the name LPG, like we earlier said, now the term is widely used to describe two prominent members of a family of light hydrocarbons called natural gas liquid, the NGL. Propane, which has a molecular formula of C3H8, where the C stands for your carbon and H, it's your hydrogen. And you can see that the butane itself has C4H10. The carbon is 4 and the hydrogen is 9. Now at normal temperature and pressure, LPG is gaseous. It changes into liquid when subjected to modest, pressure or cooling, okay, in liquid form. Now the tank pressure is said to be like times two of the pressure you have in your truck tire, and that's how very safe, it is having LPG in those containers.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be among the first to receive our next content. Keep making it big.